How to install OpalLock. You can double-click on the setup file, or you can right-click and click Run with Administrator. Once you have downloaded the OpalLock setup file, run the file. Once the setup starts, it'll display a license agreement window for which you can click on the checkbox which says, "I accept the terms of the license agreement." Before proceeding with installation, you must accept the terms of the license agreement. Then you can click on the next button. This will start the installation process for the application. Once you have done so, click Next to start the installation process. Wait for the installation process to finish. Once the process is done, it'll display that the installation is complete. You can keep the Run OpalLock Now checked to run the application now. Keep the Run OpalLock Now checkbox checked and click Finish. After the installation is done, the application must be activated with a license. To proceed with license activation, right-click on the application icon and run it as administrator. When the application opens up, it'll display a Launch License Manager button. Click on the button to open the License Manager. When OpalLock opens, click on Launch License Manager to open the license. Click on Activate your license. You can activate your license online or offline. To activate your license online, click Activate Online. Enter the license key in the input box and click the Activate License key button. Once the activation is done, it'll display the message, "Your license is activated." Click on the Finish button to close the wizard. If activation is successful, the message, "Your license is activated," will be displayed. You can now run OpalLock as administrator.